Hey Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a couple of events happening. We have this unboxing, what I got in the mail call from the US Mint, and what I picked up at the local coin shop. But following that, we have sold all 10 of the promo packs for 2023, and as a result, we'll be doing a drawing for this later for those 10 people who purchased those 10 purchases of the promo packs. It was actually 4 people who purchased, but some of them purchased multiple. And we'll get to that right after this. And that brings up the next promo pack, but we'll deal with that later. So we'll be back right after this. Welcome back. Well, I'm going to move this out of the way for now and show you what I picked up at the local coin shop. It is rather spectacular, and it is a 4/9 fine silver coin. And of course, I will put the specs of this on the video so that you can see the size and the weight. But it is a spectacular silver coin with 24 karat gold plating. And on the other side, it has Harriet's Central Ilda, it's hard to read, but it has a ship. And of course you know how I feel about ships. And it is silver and gold plated on this side too. And the edge is actually gold plated. How spectacular is that? And I picked this up at the local coin shop. This is one of the ones for my ship collection. And there we go. And what that brings up is there are many pockets to collect into. You don't have to be a complete collector. You can collect animals, you can collect birds, you can collect ships, you can collect virtually anything. If you order from Nua, you can get all the Disney characters. So how cool is that? So there's many ways to get into it. So now let's get into what we have here. And of course, I don't try to lift that side up. What I just do is do a simple cut here. Simple cut here, and the lid should lift right up. And US Mint, you're still using bubble wrap. Naughty, naughty, naughty. That's not very environmentally friendly. And we have here a box and the obligatory paperwork. So let's take that out. And we have an empty box. So let's put this here. And this is the 2023 American Eagle 1 ounce silver uncirculated coin. and it is in a black embossed box. And here we have 2023 American Eagle 1 ounce uncirculated coin, which this is the certificate of authenticity. It is 3/9 fine silver, and it is 1.598 inches or 40.60 millimeters, 1 troy ounce, and the edge is reeded, and this is from the West Point Mint. And don't know if that's glary or not, so maybe I'll just read it. Obverse features a refreshed depiction of Adolf A. Weinman's full-length figure of liberty in full stride, enveloped in folds of the flag, with her right hand extended and branches of the laurel and oak in her left hand. The United States Mint returned to its original historical assets to render a closer reflection of Weinman's original vision and detail. The reverse features an eagle as it approaches the landing, carrying an oak branch as if it's to add to a nest. Inscriptions are United States of America, E plurimis unum, 1 ounce fine silver, and $1. Coin artist, obverse Adolf A. Weinman, 1870 to 1952. Reverse, Emily Damstra, artistic infusion program designer. Michael Gaudioso, medallic artist. And that's what this certificate of authenticity says. And that's the certification on the back. So, and here we go. Oh. If you used US Mint, if you used the jewel boxes that the Royal Canadian Mint uses, we wouldn't have this problem. But no, you must use this tight-fitting, preformed packaging, plastic packaging in a cardboard box, which I'm sure costs just as much money. But here we go. That's an interesting capsule. That's all. No, that's plastic. There we go. And I'm going to stand up to make sure that this is focusing correctly. That's Alfred Weinman's signature there. That's not the West Point Mint's mint mark. And flip it like an American coin. And there's the West Point Mint mark under the wing of the eagle. So, I'm sure the Americans have seen many of these, and many Canadians as well, but this one's mine, so it'll get added to my silver stack with a high premium. So, 2 silver coins in this video. And so this one's not announced clearly. The ship is clearly not announced, but it is a spectacular coin. Let's focus. Well, thank you for watching. Remove the knife. And we'll be right back. We'll be right back with the who won who won the Promo Pack giveaway. So here we are at the wheel, and we will be doing the drawing for the lucky winner of this lovely 2023 uncirculated coin set featuring Queen Elizabeth II. And of course, it has a $50, a quarter, a dime, a toonie, a nickel, and a loonie. And of course, they all have the Queen on the back with a double date of her reign, and the 4 dots representing the 4 effigies of Queen Elizabeth. And it is, and you'll notice on the dollar and the loonie that there are 3 dates. The big date is the current year. So how cool is that? So one lucky winner who purchased a promo pack will have a chance to win this lovely uncirculated coin set. So I've already shuffled these, so let's go in and click and see who the lucky winner is. Garbar, congratulations, you won. I'll be sending this out to you in the mail. No need to contact me in a week's time because I know I have all your pertinent information already. So I will be sure to send that out to you. Congratulations, as I have done the previous promo pack, because somebody reminded me that I already have his information, so I should just send it to him. And that's what I did. So congratulations, Garbar. And there is a promo pack. So that means that the next promo pack will be coming soon. I do not have a prize for that one yet, because the prize determines how many have to be sold before I can give the prize. But there is one new limited edition added to the prize promo pack coming up, and that is these, how cool is that? Sparkly stickers. They will be numbered and signed just the way this limited edition is. And of course, you may recall this. And of course, we'll be unveiling a new logo soon, because I've had Bassman working on it, and look forward to seeing how the wonderful work that Bassman has done for me. And it'll be coming up soon. You'll see a new logo for Numis Canada with Bruce. as I always say, how cool is that? Thank you, Bassman. So congratulations, Garbar. And so that ends our video for this week. I thank you everybody for watching, and bye for now. Hope to see you soon, and keep on collecting.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.
Got our own groove, coming at the same time, yeah.